Good morning all. Just done a quick tour of Robinsons Mall for the first time. I'm in Malate stroke Ermita and I'm outside Robinsons Place Manila. I'm just about to post a video on the walk around the first floor, but I'm now going to try and walk back to my new condo in Baywatch Tower, right on the sea, and let's see if I can make it back without getting lost. Grab a couple of coffees on the way back. I've got some work going on at the condo today. The refurbisher come to do the sofa, didn't turn up. Sort of the Filipino way sometimes, as I'd had to raise a work permit and sort of spread my week around him being at the condo doing in-house service. Now I've had to reschedule him for Thursday, which is a complete pain. So I've got to make separate trips back from Mandaluyong just for him in the mornings before I start work, which is not great. Okay, I'm going to walk back to Baywatch Tower, about a 10-minute walk, so I thought I'd take you guys with me. So anybody that's going to stay in Manila Bay and wants to go shopping in Robinsons, you'll know the way and you'll see what's there on the way. And hopefully on the way back I will find somewhere that can cut a key. So a couple of keys cut. Hello doggy. Woof woof. So what can I tell you about this place? I don't really know much, hence why I'm wandering around having a look around. A lot of street sellers here, which is great for your fruit. I sort of begrudge buying groceries from the big shopping malls here and the supermarkets within the shopping malls, purely because it's not really about the money. Yes, stuff is cheaper on the street, but the street sellers work hard. You know, they do long hours. They're out early in the morning, they're out late at night. So if I'm going to part with some money, I will always buy my fruit outside rather than inside. But I'm going to have a little look around here. Bellagio Square. I've not heard of that before. Let's have a look. Facial body slimming. Great. This is a cool little area. Is this bars? Shit, it's bars, yeah. Okay, good luck. Koi. So there's a serious little mini bars here by the looks of it. Could be a cool place to hang out in the evenings. Ah, they're all bars. Okay. I will so come back and shoot a video here at night time. Any excuse, eh? Restaurant there. Nail bar. Get your nails done while you have a beer. Is that a bar or a club? Looks like it's called Decades. Sounds like a club to me. Definitely a bar. Decades After, so that sounds like a nightclub. Okay, that's cool. Bit of a nightlife scene going on just here then. One for the memory bank. Got the wellness centres up there. Manila Manor Hotel. Filipino bistro. With a hotel. These are little shops I like to buy my food in sometimes. Not that the food's that great, but I just like supporting the local community. And it's cheap. A few nice dishes there. Warn anybody coming over, don't eat a sausage and think it's going to taste like we're used to at home. It's not, they're awful. I would pay so much money for somebody to start importing proper Cumberland sausages, proper Lincolnshire sausages, just English sausages please. Even the Malate cheap blue and white striped packs from Tesco's are better than anything you can actually buy here. They're awful, which is such a shame. Or maybe that's a good thing for my health. There's little restaurants and bars along here. This looks like it's going to be quite busy at night. Do you know what? I've not really researched this area much, like Ermita and Malate. I mean, I have stayed in Ermita before, but I was sort of playing poker every night at Takada. So I was just jumping in a grab and doing my thing. And although I went out a few times, I think the only place I really went to around this area was Cowboy Grill. It was like a music venue, open 7 nights a week, 3 or 4 bands a night, which was pretty cool. That was sort of my go-to place over the 2-week period I stayed. Hello, how you doing? Nice to get away with that, ain't part of any money. Music bar there, music lounge here. We've got bar and music there. Wow. That'll get cut. This bit will get cut out. Just of Bruno Mars singing along in the background. Loads of bars down there. There's the bar there. Oh, massage bar. Good old 7-Eleven. Right, see me getting lost down here. I think if I carry on, I'll come to the sort of roundabout, like the central focus point, I believe, of Malate. Let I wonder. The Wave, Resto and Bar Lounge. God, there could be so many hidden gems here. Bar and Grill. Food and Grill. It's pretty crazy because I'm leaving Mandaluyong, which is right next to Makati, and my nightlife is spent in Makati. And I sort of want to tone down a bit at my age. Because Makati can be a bit wild and a bit mad. And I'm sort of thinking here it might be a bit quieter, but there seems to be more bars here than there is in Makati. Well, it's probably not true, but I'll certainly give it a run for its money. So, if you've seen any videos, I play quite a lot of recreational poker when I'm here, and which is what brought me to the Philippines anyway in the first place. And one of the venues I actually play in is called the Masters Poker Club. I'm till 4 PM most days. They do occasional tournaments, but mainly it's a cash game, which is quite good. I've only played in there once, and I came out very happy after about a 3-hour session. JTV, the Electric JTV, I think I've seen that on someone else's blog. So now we're at what I would call the square, but it's sort of a roundabout. I believe it's sort of the middle of town. And I know that place there used to be really popular, whether it still is, I don't know. Over 18's nightclub. Let you try and pronounce it. Okay, let's go around to the left. Let's see what's here. I can see a coffee bar. I might grab a couple of coffees there to take back for the workers. Wow, lots going on. Busy. KTV room. Nice little fountain in the middle there. Nice little focal point. Little community police station there. Trying to get my phone robbed. And we have a little coffee bar here. You know what, do I want to carry 2 coffees back? I've still got a 10-minute walk, 5-minute walk. I think I'll pass. I'll try and get somewhere nearer. Massage place. 2 massage bars, places. Okay, I'm probably going to get lost now because I can't remember which turning I need to take to get back to where I live, where I'm moving to. But it sort of doesn't matter because as long as I can find the seafront, I know where I am. So I'm going to take my chances and walk down this street. See if I can get by without getting run over. So far so good. So many bars around here. Spoilt for choice. Club King. Sure what that is. Luxury JTV Club Red. Showtime and Party Club. God, there's bars everywhere. Chicken and beer. Good combination. I actually can't remember walking up this way, so I'm probably lost. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I remember that. Korean food town, little shop. Get run over by the rider. And the sun is out, so if I can get back to Mandaluyong in time, and maybe I can grab an hour's sunbathing before I start work. I mean, the sun's out most days, so definitely tanning weather. Okay, I remember we came up a side alley on the way here. I had bumped into somebody in reception, and they said they'd show me the way to Robinsons, and they sort of walked with me halfway, so they were going to work, but they took me down to a couple of alleys, shortcuts, and I have no idea where I'll pick them up, so I'm just going to walk down the main streets. Have a walk-in, they're everywhere. Are you walking? Not till 3 PM. Oh, when's the best? Ah, I know where I am now. Ah, okay. This place I've seen before, little golf screens. So maybe we can just practice a bit of golfing now. Could be fun. I will check that out. Maybe see if I can do a video on it. Regional Centre. Okay. At my age, good to know. Oh, this is amazing. I can feel the sea. A lot of street sellers out. We're nearly back at the Sunday now. I know where I am. There we go. So I came out for 2 coffees for me and my handyman, Elmer. I've come back empty-handed, having a slice of pizza. And I'm supposed to get a key cut, which I didn't do. Maybe I can get a coffee around here. Coffee. Some street sellers out. Piri. Love a bit of piri. Love a bit of spicy chicken. Pasta, milkshakes, chicken, pizza and mojo. Sounds good. Good old Shakers. So I walked down here last week and a bunch of breakfast. Pancakes, waffles, bullets, yeah. £3 there. Right, a little chap decided last week. I tried to see if I could commission him to do an abstract painting. Hello my friend, how are you? I've got your number. I'm going to commission you when I move here. Yeah, all good. House that fried chicken. Yeah. Got Max's restaurant there. Okay. Could do with a coffee bar a little bit nearer. There's actually no coffee bar, no shop, no laundry or no water facilities in the condo I'm moving into. So there was an ex-laundry room that was closed down. These pictures here. It was closed down. Oh, this is a big fountain here that's obviously got some work done next day, or good clean. Wow. Some more paintings. There's the sea, fat chaps. There's the sea. Yeah, so I may inquire. Well, I have sort of made an inquiry to see if they'd be interested in renting that to my girlfriend. Maybe she can resurrect the laundry. Maybe see if there's a water station we can install anywhere to supply laundry and water facilities to everybody in the condos. And maybe a little shop just selling basics. Who knows? Can I get a coffee in here? Can I get a coffee? I'm not sure. Okay, coming into Adriatico. I've eaten here before when first we did the condo. It's so busy. Got very peas. I think we do specials. Don't think I'm just going there and get a coffee to take away, unfortunately. No. Okay guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up here. So I'm just round the corner from the condo. Thank you for keeping me company on my journey. Don't forget to press like if that's any use to you, this video. Don't worry if it's not. And if you want to see more of this sort of area, Malate, then just subscribe and I'll keep posting what I see when I move here in a couple of weeks. Ciao, bye bye.